Biriria noteti President William Ruto niacemanitie na andu makiria ma 12,000 arĩa nĩ gatagati-inĩ karĩa maracaria iturwa na kiama kia UDA. President Ruto nĩ oete kanya kau kumatarĩria mũrũgamo wa kiama kiu marĩa arenda kwamba kuhingiria a Kenya mbere ya gĩthurano kia mwaka ũkĩte na cioneki iria arenda kuhingia itĩna-inĩ rĩa kerĩ rĩa wathani wake. Arĩa marenda kurugama na governor na kiama gĩkĩ moima andu 199, senator ni 279, abunge atumia 323.
Reason. Why have we called this meeting? We have called this meeting because the politics of Kenya is changing. The politics of Kenya is no longer about tribal arithmetic. The politics of Kenya is no longer about recycled, backward, primitive leadership. The politics of Kenya has changed. It is about a vision. It's about ideas. It's about issues. It's about a manifesto, an agenda, a program for the transformation of Kenya. That is what the citizens of this great nation are looking for. Our competitors are stuck in tribal arithmetic. Our friends are stuck in division and hate. They are selling to us hate. This community versus that community. This region versus that region. This person versus the other one. We are telling our competitors, it is no longer about personalities. It is no longer about tribal arithmetic. It is no longer about selling this community against the other. It is about a vision. It's about ideas. It's about issues.